Welcome, my Aggie family. Here we are at the historical John Howe Hall. This has been a project that has been well anticipated throughout the state, and we are super excited to give you a showcase. Today is a snow day. There's not much construction going on the inside, so I thought this would be a perfect time to give you a walkthrough of what we have been doing, what we have accomplished, and where we stand. So please come on in and enjoy the tour. So you're walking into our foyer area, which will be, this is where all the visitors will come into. We'll have our receptionist over here to the right-hand side who will allow us into the school. To my right-hand side, you will have our lounge area. It will be a nice little sitting area. As you can tell, we have cut the brick out, which will be exposed into our stairwell, which will go up to the second floor where most of our classrooms are. And down the right-hand hallway here, we'll have 4 classrooms downstairs. Through the left-hand side, through the doors here, we will have our principal's office along with our SRO and register back there, along with the guidance counselor. And then also behind us back here, we will have a teacher-parent conference room. If we have to have any kind of meetings, it will be a state-of-the-art conference room. If we have to video chat it or anything to do with the latest and greatest of technologies, we will have in this building, and that's what's made this so great for me, is to bring these new technologies into an older building. It's been some difficult decisions we've had to make and some things we've had to change, but it has been a fun and great process, and I'm excited for everybody in the state of South Carolina to come see it, especially the residents of McCormick County with our auditorium, to get to come out and experience what we have to offer, not only to our students, but the community of McCormick County, Abbeville, Edgefield, Lincoln, and we want this place to be used as a community to showcase what we have on campus, because what we have is very special here. Now, let's go in and let's see our brand new large classroom. As you can tell, we're in one of our largest classrooms that we have available here. We have 2 large classrooms on the bottom floor, and we also have 2 small classrooms on the bottom floor. As you can tell, we're under construction. We still have a lot of debris in the way, but you see we have insulation here. We are ready to rock and roll. We are moving on great. We're looking to be into these things in the first part of August if everything goes as planned. And it looks like so far we've been on schedule, but as of today, we're fighting weather, and that's always a factor in the construction world. Now, let's look at our new, greatly renovated auditorium. Oh, wait a minute. I have to show you a discovery that we found in our hallway upstairs that really takes this building back to, it shows its true age. And now you have seen what we finally discovered. One of the great things working with an older building, which is almost 100 years old, is you never know what you're going to find. And as we were tearing out all the plaster in this building, trying to get it back to the wall, to the guts of the building, we found this, which was an archway that was covered up. This has really excited me. This brought it back into a different design that we did not know that we were going to have in it. It just adds more character into this building, and that's what we're trying to do. We want to keep as much exposed brick. We want to bring the past back in along with the new. So I just wanted to show everybody at a highlighted area that I thought this was a great feature that I could put in this long hallway. And other than that, let's go down to the auditorium and we'll finish it up and see that. Thank you. As we walk down to the halls of the school, and I'm really excited about getting into my brand new roughly 265 person auditorium, which has me really excited because this is what's going to bring out the community out. This will be a great place for where our kids can hang out, watch movies, do gaming night. Trying to set it all up for those also. And here we are. We're in our auditorium that's being redone. As you can tell, we have major construction going on. This has been a great project, and this, like I said, this is what really excited me about the whole thing. Trying to keep an old building, old stage, and turning it into some new information and what we can do with the kids. Our plan is to have movie nights in here, gaming nights, but also bring in the community, like I said before, plays. We've been contacted, and we are unbelievable ready for this. But the biggest part that I've enjoyed more than anything is getting to design. We had to make this thing ADA compliant. And as you can tell in behind us, we built the 2 bathrooms where Dr. Cowan allowed me to put some seating up top. And I think that is just going to be another experience that is going to take us over the top with this place. And that's what I'm really looking forward to, is opening this thing up to the public. Well, I hope you're enjoying the view from up top, which is, in my opinion, the best place of the auditorium. That is the one area that Dr. Cowan let me play with and see what we could come up with, and I hope you enjoy the view up there. It allows you to look at our big historical windows out to the side that we will be keeping. We're replacing out. The windows are actually on the way, so it would be interesting to see when we get all this in and get it all finished up. Our target date to have the kids in class, in school, is the first part of next year, which is, I say, the August, September mark is what we're shooting for. You know, just like any other construction project, you do have some concerns sometimes, but we have had a lot of people on board, and it is really helping us out. So please, I hope you enjoy the look from the upstairs, and thank you. Come see us.